Nalanda Wellness welcomes you, and this is Sachin Bangira. You are listening to Money Manifestation Affirmations and Meditation. We are going to do a beautiful meditation, so you can assume a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. And the best time to do this meditation is just before going to sleep, so that you naturally enter the alpha level where the affirmations will be easily accepted by your subconscious mind and you start to get powerful results. Listen to these affirmations at least 21 days every day so that you start to get amazing results from this. So just relax and close your eyes and just begin to go into a deeper, healthier state of mind. Remember a time when you were deeply relaxed, maybe a time when you were just about to sleep and your body was just ready to go into deep sleep. And remember how it felt like. As you go deeper and deeper, your body relaxes and is ready to absorb powerful affirmations. Just relax. Relax your eyes, your facial muscles, your forehead, your arms, your back, your stomach, thighs, knees, calf muscles, and your feet. Just relax. These powerful affirmations will transform everything in your life. We begin now. I am a money magnet. Money flows into my life easily and effortlessly. I am worthy of abundant money. I have more than enough money in my life. I am secure. I naturally attract opportunities to increase my wealth. I feel that I am financially free because my income exceeds my expenses and I deserve money. I give time and I help my clients with my knowledge, skills and abilities and I get more money. I spend and invest money wisely, so universe gives me even more. My income is increasing constantly. Every month I am making more and more money. I am grateful for the wealth I have in my life. I am thankful to God and the universe. I am living my ideal life right now. I thank the universe for the abundance that is on its way. The more I spend and invest and donate, it comes back to me in many times multiplied. I choose to live a life of richness and abundance. I give myself permission to grow and prosper. I am totally secure. I am worthy of all the money I desire. And I have the power, skills, knowledge, and ability to earn as much as I want. I am thankful to God and universe for all the riches I have. I am rich in terms of money and also in terms of relationships and wisdom. I am really happy and joyful, and more money comes to me because I attract money. I spend time and money in developing myself. I invest in experiences and courses which help me to open my mind to higher levels of performance and ability. I create breakthroughs Every time I learn new things, my life is awesome. Thank you universe, thank you Reiki, thank you angels, thank you parents, thank you to all the people who are with me in my life, making my life rich. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can continue to visualize your success and let these affirmations sink into your subconscious mind and just keep relaxing and fall asleep. When you wake up, you'll feel refreshed, energized, and you will have a wonderful day. Just relax, relax, relax.